How to install a screen protector on your smartphone without bubbles. So, before installing a screen protector on your smartphones without bubbles, you must clean your screen with wet wipe first. Then you need to make it dry with dry wipe. After you had cleaned your screen and made it dry, you have to first set the screen protector in the right position on your screen. Once you have put it in the right position, carefully and slowly pull from above, for example, with a credit card. Once set, there may be one or two bubbles. Just gently remove them by pulling with the card. So that's it. That's how we easily install a screen protector on your smartphone without bubbles. After you have installed it, you must again clean the screen with a dry wipe. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.